In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw this adorable little whale step by step using simple shapes that makes the whole process super easy and fun. For this, I'll set my canvas size to 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you draw this. I would love to see your version. Now grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. I'll start first by choosing my sleek ink brush and the color that I'm gonna use for sketching, and it will be the dark blue color. Now I'll start drawing the whale by drawing the basic shape for the fish. I'll start by drawing the body. It's a curved line or an oval shape, just like this. I will adjust the shape by using the editing tool. Once I'm happy, I choose the brush again. I'll complete the body as you see, and I will add a cute tail here. It's just an oval shape as the body. And now I will add two cute hands, just like this. As you can see, I'm using the same symbol shape, the oval shape for the body, tail, and even the hands. I'm just repeating the same shape in different sizes. This is the easiest way to build your drawing. Now I'll add two cute eyes and a cute smile between those two eyes. It's just like number 3. Now I'll change the brush size and I will create a very tiny line here in the center of the body because I will color it later. And now I will draw another hand here. And now I'll start drawing cute things to the whale just to make it look funnier. Here I will draw a beanie on the top of the body by creating this line, and I will draw another curved line on the top of this. And now I will use the editing tool to adjust the shape, and here I will add a cute fluffy ball on the top of the beanie. I'll just make it like a cloud. Now I'll add a few details to the beanie. I'll add those lines, and it's optional. You can add, for example, dots or hearts or whatever you want. But here I will keep it simple. Now I'll add a candy cane here by creating this line and another similar line on the top, just like this. For drawing the cane, I created a new layer above the whale layer because I'm gonna later clean the lines inside the candy cane, which is coming from the whale's layer. Here I'm using the editing tool just to adjust the candy cane shape, and now I'm drawing those lines inside the candy cane because I'm gonna color them later with red color. And here I will add cute scarf by creating this shape. Now I'll draw those circles on the whale's body. I'll create big circles and smaller one and place them in different areas, just like this. Now I will use the selection tool to change the position of this circle, and now I will clean the lines that comes out of the whale. Now I will choose the layer that I used to draw the whale, and I will clean the lines here just like this to make the sketch clear and ready to be colored. Try using multiple layers when sketching. It makes editing and cleaning up lines much easier and helps you prepare a clean sketch for coloring. Now my sketch is ready for the next step, which is coloring. For this step, I'll create a new layer underneath the sketch layer, and I will use the blue color, the light blue color, to start coloring the whale's body. And I'm still using here my Sleek ink brush, but you can always choose to color using Procreate's default brushes. You can check my tutorial about my best Procreate brushes that you can use to make a nice illustration. Now I will create a closed line just like this and drag and drop the color inside this closed line. Here I will clean the lines that comes out the sketch line. Now I'll create a new layer above this layer, turning on clipping mask, and I will choose the white color to color inside the whale's body, just like this. I'll create this closed line and then I'll drag and drop the color inside it. Now I'll use the same color and the same brush to color those circles. Here I'll choose the pink color to create cute cheeks to the whale. Here I will use the selection tool just to put the circle in the right position, just like this. And now I'll create another layer above all those layers. Choose the red color, and here I will start coloring the scarf and beanie as well. For coloring this fluffy ball, I'll use the beige color, and I'll start coloring it by creating a closed line and then drag and drop the color inside it. I'll use the same color to color the candy cane. Now I'll choose the pink color to color those lines inside the candy cane, and I will use the red as well to create lines inside the candy cane. Now we are ready to move to the next step, which is adding shadows. For this step, I will create a new layer above the all layers, set it to multiply mode, and I will use the sleeking brush. I will increase the brush's size and lower the opacity, and I will start adding shadows using the same colors. For example, here I'm adding the shadows to the whale's body using the same blue that I used to color it. And I will do the same as well to the scarf, beanie, and candy cane. Now I will add cute details to the whale by creating or drawing those small dots here, and then I will create tiny lines inside the scarf and beanie. Once I'm done, I lower the layer's opacity to make the shadows look natural, and I'll move to the next step, which is adding highlights. For this step, I will create a new layer above all the layers and set it to screen mode. I will choose the pure white and I will use the sleeking brush to create those highlights. Now let's move to the last step, which is adding the final adjustments. For this step, I will create a new layer above all the layers, and I will start adding those cute white dots inside the whale's eyes to make them look brighter. Now I will add those tiny lines inside the beanie. And I will do the same as well to the scarf. Now I will use the navy blue, and I will increase the brush's size to create those cute lines to the beanie, scarf, and the whale as well. Now I'll add extra cute details by choosing my Pickles brush, and I will choose the light blue and then the selection tool to select this area and start adding extra details just like this. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next video. Bye bye.